Namaste. Today I am going to talk about a very important aspect of our mind, which is called experience. The experience that we got since our childhood because of our society, because of our family, because of our religious background, because of our education system. Our senses continuously getting information from all these sources. Because of this, we can recognize a flower. Because of this, we can recognize our family members. Because of this, we are able to go to job and perform our duty. Because of this, we can earn money and we can feed our family. But again, because of this, we feel depressed. Because of this, we feel stressed. Because of this, we feel miserable, troubled, painful. We have been getting all sorts of negative emotions because of these experiences. So how to come over this? Can we stop all the negative emotions coming to us and only positive things will lead our life and we will be happy? Is it possible? I say yes. Every day we come to a point when we eliminate all our experiences, and that is the time when we sleep. The moment is free from all stress, all depression, all tension, any kind of manipulation, any kind of calculation in our mind. Every day it happens with us. But then, as soon as we wake up, all these things, all these misery, pain, tension, depression, altercation with friends, family, relatives, in workplace, they all come from all different sides and haunt us. So even sleeping is not a good idea. And how long we are going to sleep? That is the question. We cannot sleep for long, and as soon as we wake up, they all come and they all take us. So what is the solution then? We are free from any thoughts from future or any experiences from past. That is the moment when you feel yourself very happy. Remove the baggage of your past. Somebody has told you something that you are not worthy. Just stop all thoughts. And how it is going to happen? You need to sit quietly. You need to sit quietly and go within. Go inside. Find a moment which is free from past and future, and you will see that the moment is the best moment of your life. Try to attain a situation when there is no control of your mind and you are controlling it. I hope you understand that when I say you, it is not about your body. The you is about super consciousness, which is watching each and every second, each and every moment of your life. But you have not made it, you have not activated it, and that's why it cannot stop you from anything. I want you to activate it. The moment you stop all your thoughts from the past or future, that is the moment when it gets activated, and you'll feel that super consciousness is going to give you the best moment of your life. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos.